Hi, I'm Nicole Miller, the art teacher here at Dunn Elementary, and today we are going to make a star ornament that we can actually use a few of our school pictures. See, it has a little clip. You'll just put your photo there and you can hang it on a tree. So cute. So your supplies will be, you'll need a plate or styrofoam plate, paint or markers, paintbrush, sequins. You'll need craft sticks, the jumbo kind, glitter. I have gold, blue, green, red, white glue. I have a little toothpick to help me place things properly, a pair of scissors, yarn, and that's it. So we'll get started. Also, don't forget you need a Sharpie too. And I'll show you what we need that for. Okay, so we'll start with 3 of the craft sticks, and I didn't tell you, but we also need clothespins. So you can do a mini size. You can also do a mini size of the jumbo craft sticks, but I chose to use a large one. That way you can use different size photos for it. Okay, so you'll start with 3 of the craft sticks in your clothespin. Take your glue, make sure it's open. I'm gonna put 1 dot just to make sure it's ready. Okay, great. So you'll take 2 sticks, you'll make those into an X. Okay, lift that up. Go ahead and put 1 dot and then place that stick over it. So you'll have a letter X. Okay, then add a dot to your last stick, okay, where you want that X to cross. You'll place the X on top of that stick. Place it right in the center and you'll have that star shape, okay? And then once that dries, go ahead and put a little glue on the back of your clothespin. I'm gonna place that right on your vertical popsicle stick there. Then let that dry and it'll look something like this. So it's nice and tight. So your Sharpie you will use to make a little note, and you want to go ahead and make your note first. So here on mine, I just said, love Mrs. Miller 2021, but if you're giving it to your grandparents or your aunts, uncle, you'll put your name, your age, and the year there, like that, okay? So your next step, once that's all dry and you've made your note, put that to the side. Then it's time to actually add the paint, or you can use the marker. So if you don't have paint, I'll show you. You take the green marker, and you could just color. Just paint it with the marker. If you do have paint, you'll just take your brush and paint the stick. And I paint right on top of the styrofoam plate. That way it'll have less cleanup because I can just throw this plate away. It's like a paper plate. Okay. Just paint that. So the next step is to let that dry. Okay. And so once that's dry, you'll have something like this. I painted it. You want to make sure that you can still open your clothespin and you still have your note on the back, and it's ready for the glitter and sequins. Okay, close this up. All right, so we'll start, and you can kind of decide what you want. I already kind of know what I would like to do on this red one. This one is blue. You start with just a line of glue on the craft stick, and then you take the glitter you'd like to use. This one I will use gold. Just sprinkle it right on top. Okay, make sure to close that up. And let's dust that off. Right onto your paper plate. Then you'll have that first line. And then do your next craft stick. And this time I'll use the green. just sprinkle that on. Okay, and then make sure to close it up. Then the next one, let's dust that off. Okay. And then I'll do the vertical popsicle stick with my third color, which will be red. Okay, and you dust it off. And then you have your design. So last, the fun part, you add another line of glue onto the clothespin. And this is where you'll use all of your sequins. And also you can use your popsicle stick here too, just to help you get them placed right. So it also keep your fingers clean too. Okay, just place those where you want them. Okay, place that there, and you can put as many as you like on there, just like that. And I'm going to put that to the side because I want to show you how you go ahead. So once you have the yarn, you can cut it with your scissors. I did it about a hand's length, about 6 inches if your parents help you, but that's about all you need. Then you make that upside down U shape, okay? Then you'll just add, once that dries, I'll take this sample in here and show you. You'll put a little glue on the clothespin part, okay? And then I'm just gonna place this on top. See how I'll close this U shape up a little bit. I know this may seem weird, but I just want it to dry like that. Then I'll let that dry, and it should be on there. You can check it to see so it stayed. Okay, press down. All right, so I'm gonna grab my photo of Blake because she's already written "Love Blake." And you'll take your ornament, squeeze the clothespin, and decide where you want to place it. So you can see her there. Okay, and guys, here you have it, your star ornament to give as a gift. It took you less than 30 minutes. This is Nicole Miller. I hope you have the best holiday season.